In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to bring live spreadsheet data straight into a Canva chart so your designs stay accurate and easy to update. Start by opening your design in Canva. On the left side, click the Elements tab. This is where you'll find graphics, shapes, and, importantly, charts. Use the search bar at the top of Elements and type Chart. You'll see options like bar, line, pie, and more. Pick the chart type that best matches your data. Story bars for comparisons, lines for trends, and pies for parts of a whole. Once you add the chart to your design, double-click it to open the chart editor. In the editor, you'll see options to import data or connect to data. Choose Import Data if you want a quick snapshot of your numbers at that moment. Choose Connect to Data and select Google Sheets if you want an ongoing connection you can refresh later. Connecting is great for reports you update regularly. Next, sign into your Google account if prompted. Then select the specific spreadsheet you want to use. Make sure you have access to that file. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, pick the correct one for your chart. Now define the cell range to import. You can type a range like a 1, D10, or include the sheet name, such as Sheet 1, a 1, D10, depending on what Canva displays. A helpful tip is to use the first row for clear headers labels like month, sales, or category because Canva uses those headers for your legend and axis titles. Keep text in text columns and numbers in number columns, and avoid empty header cells to prevent confusion. Once the data appears, review the chart. If something looks off, check your sheet for merged cells, stray spaces, or numbers formatted as text. Formatting your data cleanly in Google Sheets usually gives the best results in Canva. When your numbers change in Google Sheets and you want the chart to reflect the latest data, return to the chart in your Canva design and click Sync. This pulls the newest values from the connected range. If you originally used Import Data instead of Connect to Data, you'll need to re-import to capture updates. From here, you can style the chart like any other Canva element, adjust colors, fonts, and layout without affecting the underlying connection. That's it. Thanks for watching.